So India is a growing market, and today we see this is the third largest market after US and China. To meet the growing demand, there is a need for the skilled manpower being available to support the airline industry and aviation in general. The GMR School of Aviation is a unique school set up to a global standard for the first time in this part of the world, where we will be offering basic ab initio course for the students who are very passionate in aviation in the aircraft maintenance engineering field. GMR School of Aviation is a world-class facility set up for imparting education in the field of aircraft maintenance engineering, and the emphasis is on skill development along with academic qualification.